Welcome to bit-duc's Enhanced Timeline version 1.10. In this version, we are introducing loops, allowing you to create continuous sequences using markers. Loops are ideal for continuous gameplay actions, such as casting, and blocking. You can create multiple loops in one timeline, allowing more complex sequences. Nesting loops is also supported as well. Enhanced Timeline can now reference objects in the scene, allowing you to use Cinemachine and Control Tracks on your timeline sequences. The guides and API reference are up to date with the new features. For this version, we also included several bug fixes and quality of life improvements. That's all for this version. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can join our Discord server. Link in the description.